Welcome students. Here comes our third module of our chapter Natural Resources. In the previous module, we learnt about the uses of natural resources. In this, we are going to learn about its conservation. Students, rich countries are using more natural resources than poor countries. So developing countries needs to depend more on natural resources for their growth and development. Some countries like India, China, Indonesia needs large amount of natural resources. Why? Because they are densely populated countries. And the rising demand for various natural resources has made them scarce in these countries. Okay? Now the question arises, what does the word conservation means? The wise use of our natural resource is called conservation. Okay? Necessary to continue to meet human needs, maintains the standards of living, and we can reduce the use of resources, reuse it and recycle it. For example, cutting of trees, okay, and killing of animals have endangered many species of plants and animals. Okay, students? Some species of monkeys and birds are also getting extinct. Extinct means they are getting over. Dolphins in the river Ganga are also facing the danger of extinction. Because of the continuous use of natural resources, the quality of air, water and land resources is degrading. For example, we dump the garbage at open places and in water bodies. This pollutes air, soil and water. Polluted water and air are harmful for living beings, as we know. Yes or no? Our future depends on these natural resources, students. So we must maintain them. We must protect them and exploit them in such a manner that it causes minimum damage to the environment. It's our responsibility to provide our future generation with an abundance of quality natural resources. So therefore, it is very important that we use our natural resources carefully and wisely. I hope students you are getting the things very clearly. Okay. Now, there's one quote by Mahatma Gandhi. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Okay? So we must conserve the natural resources rather than exploiting it. Yes or no? Okay. Now, why we must conserve them? Listen, students. India is a country which is blessed with rich natural resources. But from the research, we observe that the usage of natural resources in our country is depleting every day. Okay, the natural resources are depleting every day in each and every aspect. Forest, wildlife, water resources, all are getting depleted. Okay, so there are some of the conservation ways which are adopted by the government of India. First, regulation and reforms for proper and housing infrastructure development to avoid land acquisition problem. We can increase wildlife and forest reserve in a country and so on. There are so many other ways that we can protect our natural resources.